Scaling a business sounds exciting, but most don't make it past the early stages. The issue isn't ambitious, it's structure. This video breaks down why businesses struggle to scale and how to fix it with the right foundation. Without systems, growth becomes chaos. When every task is manual, every client adds new pressure. Scaling isn't just about doing more, it's about doing it better through clear, repeatable processes. Using disconnected tools creates silos. When data is scattered, teams slow down, mistakes happen, and decisions making becomes more guesswork. Scaling requires connected systems that gives full visibility and saves time. When too much depends on one person, everything slows down. Approvals, decisions, and updates get stuck. To scale, tasks and decisions must move independently across teams with clear roles and ownership. The formula is simple. Start by defining key workflows, then use a connected platform that manages sales, finance, and operations in one place. And finally, make sure people have clear roles and responsibility. When the foundation is solid, growth becomes manageable. Workflows speed up, teams work better together, and leaders get real time data to make smarter decisions. Growth will highlight every broken system. That's why the structure must come first. Before marketing, before hiring, before expansion, optimize operations. Fix what's under the hood before driving faster. Scaling doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. For help building the system that support real growth, book a free consult at Zentegra.com and subscribe for weekly content on automation, strategy, and business transformation.